Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we will learn about the poem, the ball poem. Now today we will do the exercise of that lesson thinking about the poem. Now question number 1 is, in the poem, what does the poet say? I would not intrude on him. Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Answer. The poet says, I would not intrude on him because he does not want to interfere in the natural process of learning. He wants the boy to learn the meaning of loss on his own. He also doesn't offer him money to buy another ball because that would be worthless. He wants the boy to learn the lesson of responsibility and accept that losses are a part of life. Next question. Staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Yes, the boy has had the ball for a long time. It is linked to the memories of days when the boy played with it. When it bounded into the water, all his memories of the days of childhood flashed in front of him. This led to a relation that those moments would not come back. Just like the ball, he can buy new balls and can similarly create new moments, but those which are gone would not return. Question number 3. What does in the world of possessions mean? Answer. The phrase in the world of possessions means that we are living in a world where everybody is worried about material possession. Today's world encourages materialism and a sense of possessions. Everyone is in the race of processing more and more. So, if the boy has to grow up in this world, he must learn that loss is also an integral part of life. He must learn to bear any loss and control his emotions. Question number 4. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. No, it seems that the boy had not lost anything earlier. The words that suggest so are, here he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. Question number 5. What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Try to explain this in your own words. Answer. The poet says that the boy is learning to bear the loss of the ball. He is experiencing grief and learning to grow up in this world of possessions. He learns that there are so many things in life that are lost and cannot be brought back. He is sensing his first responsibility as he has lost the ball. The boy will learn how to stand up and leave the losses behind as he would have understood the true meaning and nature of loss. So here students, we have completed the thinking about text, thinking about the poem. We complete all the answers. Now, the central idea of the poem, you have already read the central idea of the poem. That in this poem describes the grief of a boy over the loss of his ball. With that loss, he senses his first responsibility in a materialistic world. The poet suggests that the people whom we love and our material possessions will not be with us forever. One has to understand the nature of loss and learn to cope up with the loss. The child has to learn that loss is a part of everyday life and still life goes on. So students, write all the answers in your notebook and the central idea of the poem and learn it.